This is a Ford Edge 2017 with camera problem. So we will just run a test using our OBD2 adapter and our force gun. So as you can see, it shows here rear view camera not available. So we will just run a quick test using our force gun. Switch off the engine. Turn it on without starting rather. Set the ignition to on position. Click OK. I have a MS scan and a HS scan switch, so I should select yes. Recently I've been noticing that it is showing here incorrectly. It is prompting me to switch to HS scan, but since the last update of the software is showing me this error, this notification. So we will instead change to HS. Although if it is showing here MS, press OK. It is showing here and here. Notice. So we'll go to DTC and check what is this. Camera module and the body control module, and the other one vision system camera. So this may be the problem. The FCD IM is reporting an error due to there is no video signal coming out from the camera module. So my plan is to replace the reverse camera, and if I have the same problem, then we will check the FCDIM for a possible replacement. But first we will replace the camera. Before we do that, I just run a test on the body control module. See, it is showing here HS, but I am now in the HS, so I will move the switch to MS. The lift gate is open, that's why it is showing this code, and the other one is for the camera module. This will vanish if we close the tailgate. So we'll go ahead to FCDIM and perform the same. We'll Move the switch to HS. Okay. So it is showing an error here. Error code, vision system camera, general electrical failure. So we will first go and replace the camera, then we will run a test again and hope this will resolve the problem with the BCM code and the FCDIM. I just closed the tailgate and I want to confirm that there is no any other problem, so I'm gonna run the test again. Okay, so as you notice, the code for the tailgate has gone, and what we have is the camera. We have companion here, Muhammad. This is Muhammad.
What?
Yes. No? Me. Have you?
اكيد ورك علشان تشيك هنا.
Okay, so what we got is the two error codes of the BCM camera, probably this and this, sorry, this and this. So now what we are going to do is to bring a spare camera to the place, and we will try if this will resolve the problem. So see you later once we have the spare parts. Just now I reset the parts. It's here, and the weather is not so good. It seems it will rain, so let's go ahead and fix this car. Ito sir, oh. Tirahan na natin. Chief. Gusto na.
Malakas ba yung ulan?
Lakas.
Ganun lang pala yun.
Yes. Ren, problema na.
Check muna natin, sir.
Sige.
Mama, stabilize.
Test again. Ayos. Camera is back into place. Now we go ahead and do the testing. Then as you can see, there are no error codes appearing now. So let's go ahead and test the BDYCM or the body control module. After installation of the camera module, it needs to be configured to enable the camera guideline, the zoom function, and the options here on these buttons. So to do that, the APIM module must be reset. So to reset the module, which I'm going to do now. So go ahead to this services function and find for the APIM here and run the service. Okay, let's just switch to M's position. Click OK, switch it off and press OK and wait for 10 seconds to perform the reset. Switch on and press OK. So the procedure is completed. Let's go and try. Do reverse. So the reverse guideline is activated, and let's try the zoom. Now the zoom function is working. So that's it. After I do the reset of the APIM module and performing test on the BCM or body control module, and the test is completed without any error. So as you can see, there are no more DTC codes appearing. So the camera issue has been resolved. The camera is fixed, and we are able to activate the reverse camera guideline. So that's how simple to repair the camera. So that's it for now for this video. I hope you learned something, and see you soon in our next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.